If you're looking for an incredible and memorable QCT learning experience, look no further. The Quilted Poodle Academy is now open. Hey everybody, I am so excited to welcome you to the Quilted Poodle Academy, our new platform for learning and education. Our flagship service has always been the QCT Online Zoom courses. We have figured out a better way of doing this, a better way of providing you the best service ever. We have now instituted memberships, either a monthly membership or annual membership. That allows you to view any of the archived video content from the Zoom courses since November of 2020. That's a lot of video. When you sign up for the membership, you will have access to all of those recordings. I know a lot of people have been interested in the classes that we had on converting embroidery designs into quilting designs. You will have access to all of those videos. There have been times we've been in Pattern CAD and we've created designs like the poodle design or the Christmas gnome design. You will have access to all of that. If you watched all of the videos back to back, you could watch for 7.5 days straight. You could binge watch QCT videos from sunup to sundown. All of the videos that have been archived from the Zoom classes will be there and available to you. There's also bonus content available for our annual membership, and available to all of our members will be the QCT Clubhouse, a Facebook-like community environment within our Kajabi platform. One of the things we think you'll really appreciate about the platform is the simplicity and organization of content. There will be short onboarding videos explaining what you can expect, what you need to do next, but I think you will be overwhelmed with the amount of information. Each one of the archived videos will have a detailed description of everything that took place during that class. You will also have a very detailed set of timestamps, so you will be able to locate exactly what you're looking for on the video timeline. In addition, each of the videos will have all associated class materials right there, so you can take a look at those as well. What is so great about the Kajabi platform, all of the material will be in one place. It's going to be a very cohesive, a very enjoyable experience to find all the videos here that have ever been recorded. They will be archived in one place, and during the length of your membership, you have access to every single one of those videos. One of the great things about this platform is its comprehensive search feature. If you want to search any QCT related topic, the software will narrow down the year, the month, and where in that video that particular item was talked about. You will be able to go there and to find all of the discussions on your particular topic. One of the really exciting things about this new platform is, as opposed to how we used to do things on YouTube, there are no more commercials, no more ads, no more interruptions, and no clickbait. If you're looking for an incredible and memorable QCT learning experience, look no further. I want to invite you all to sign up for a membership. And like I said, it's a monthly membership or it's an annual membership, and there is a discount if you sign up for a whole year. The Quilted Poodle Academy is now open. We'll see you in class, and don't be late. But if you are, you can always watch the recording.